Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the best RIA money transfer codes. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. So the first of all, open any of your browser on your laptop or PC, or you can try it on your mobile as well, and go to Google and search here RIA money transfer promo codes. And once you search this down on Google, press enter, and after that you will be seeing the official website of RIA money transfer. Make sure to do not go on any other websites, as these coupon might work or they might not be working, as they are not official. So first of all, go to the official website of RIA money transfer, open the website, and you can see like the all the available or current promotions or promo codes. As you can see, like hello RIA, this is the promo code that is working right now. New customer offer only. Use code hello RIA on the RIA money transfer app and receive $0 fees on your first money transfer of $50 or more. So as you can see, like this is the official, like their promo code given on official their website, and you can try it out. And once you try this out, and after that you can also try the other promo codes. You can try these websites as well, as these coupon codes might be working and might not be working. So you can try it, and let's check either it is working for you or not. Like there are multiple websites, as you can see, like coupon follow, and here is the RIA money transfer promo code. This is not the official website, but you can try it. Might these promo codes might also be working. So as you can see, like groupon.com, and there are some other websites, like as you can see RIA money transfer, worthenpenny.com. And make sure to try all of these websites, and this is the official promo code given by them. You can try this one as well, and after that hopefully you will get some kind of discount. So that is all about how you can get your RIA money transfer promo codes and enjoy the discount.